don't know what that sound was. I don't know. Just kind of. I don't know what's happening. Like. Crazy, man. It's crazy. I don't know. Like a definite answer. I was not expecting this day to turn out like this. Been awake since 7. Here, I'll go talk over here. So like, I've been awake since 7 this morning because we're getting solar panels on our roof, and there's been people on our roof since 7 a.m. and it's currently 6. I've been out here for maybe 30 minutes. I do not know. I cannot see the camera. And the GoPro app doesn't work on my phone, but yeah, I was hearing that all morning, and then I went out here like an hour ago, maybe 2, I don't know, and I was riding my bike. As soon as I turned on the GoPro, that's when I started. So originally I was talking to my dad and his friend, and then I was gonna go down here and ride some laps and see how that turned out. I'm gonna go ask. stand in the way of anyone. Putting up the jets. I don't know, does anybody have like a definite answer of what's happening? So we're just kind of sitting here. There was an open window. Somebody pulled, they're not sure yet if somebody pulled it. They got in through that window. And it said it was a fire drill for anyone who hasn't heard. I don't know what's happening. Am I still recording? I do not know. I hope I am. This is nuts.
I guess it's
That's no problem.
And if, like I said, if you do hear tonight, if it doesn't go through authority, it should go through authority. That's something I thought of maybe, but that's what I'm telling you. All right, Johnny.
Alright, well, hurry up. Cross over. Alright, I'm gonna go back home. Maybe come back after a while, because I said it's been doing that all day if you didn't hear. So I may come back and see if it's still going. I don't know, they said there was an open window. That's insane. Comment down below how many total emergency vehicles you saw besides that one over there. And I will see you all in the next video.